Box plots. Box plot is a visual representation of the statistical summary of the given dataset. The summary includes minimum value, first quartile, that is the point below which 25% data lies, median, second quartile, 50% of data lies below median, third quartile, 75% of data lies below third quartile, maximum, and the outliers of the dataset. So let us run the below entry to generate a box plot of horsepower. So let's do this part now. df cars dot box plot, open round bracket, column equal to open square bracket, horse power, shift, enter. So what does it say? The above graph clearly shows a collection of points above the maximum value, which are the outliers. Below entry generates a more classified information horsepower distribution grouped by the cylinders. So let's try to generate this. So let's try out the next instruction now. df underscore cars dot box plot, open round bracket, same as earlier, same instruction as above, almost same, only grouped by cylinders. Column horsepower, go next position, y equal to cylinders. So shift, enter. So here we have the another one.